All right, guys, so Motor Toys, we are back. This time, yet another 8th mile drag car is born. We're using another Typhon chassis, set up a little different. This one is on a brand new Spectrum 150 amp 6S ESC that just came out. We're sticking with the latest generation V4 BLX big block 2050 kV motor. Hoons Gold's drag radials, GoPro mount, lowered, center spool. Obviously, we got custom wiring and cap packs. And right now we're geared pretty conservatively at 2736. Did a 3S run this morning on 120C 9700 mAh 3S graphene. Netted 58 miles an hour. That's on half power. So we're about to run a 4S non-graphene 5000 mAh 50C. So guessing probably somewhere in the mid 60s. And then the weather holds, we might do a 6S pass. Only problem is I don't have my drag bar in yet. So I'm a little hesitant to do a 6S pass without that. But we're gonna see how the 4S pass goes. And I think this thing's gonna be an absolute monster in the 8th mile. And we are gonna go see what it does. Alright guys, so 4S non-graphene, that was actually 69, which I'm a little surprised at. So definitely over 70 with this gearing on a graphene. Stay tuned, guys.
Yeah, dude, looks good.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Alright, I'm coming with everything, dude.
You are clear, brother. Watch his car, watch it.
See what the GPS says before we do that. Nothing's even on. 94.